Welcome to the University of Tampa in Tampa, Florida. Today we're just going to do a quick tour showing you the university, some of the buildings, classroom buildings, dormitories. We'll get a quick look at one of the freshman dormitories. And to start the tour, we wanted to show you, this is called the Plant Hall. Plant Hall has some classrooms and there are some offices, a lot of offices, professors' offices. This is a very historic building. It was originally the Tampa Hotel, which was built in the early part of the century by Henry B. Plant. And we're directly across the street from downtown Tampa. Nice little park outside. And inside the hotel is the Henry B. Plant Museum. So they did preserve part of the building just to show what the hotel was like. We won't be touring that, but I'll give you a quick look once we get inside. Here's the outside balcony. We'll look down that way, and then we'll enter the main part of the building. This is the lobby. Said this was once how you went upstairs to get to your rooms when there was a hotel here, but it's now just offices and classrooms up there. And this is one of the entrances to the museum. Give you a quick look at the museum. This is the main hall, and then there are rooms off of the hall on both sides that are set up just like rooms from the hotel. Well worth checking out all by itself. Take a quick look at the hallway upstairs in Plant Hall. That's the grand entrance, and it does keep going up. Basically, this is what you'll find up here. It's just offices. There are a few classrooms. The second floor directory. Again, it's just kind of neat because it's the original hotel. Here's a classroom. Floor is squeak and everything. This is the other end of Plant Hall. A lot of historic pictures up on the wall. It's another stairway. You can see the doors are all original. These are some of the freshman dorms. And right outside you have beach volleyball and a beautiful view of downtown Tampa. And now we're just going to go inside this room right here and take a look at one of the dorms. Just a quick look at the dorms. Very quick. There's the dorm complex that we just looked at. Just thought I'd walk you down here. You're right on the river. It's the Hillsborough River. There's the Strauss Fine Arts Center. If you want to see a Broadway show, so you can walk. That's a museum of art. Again, it's a beautiful location. Okay, we just came from Plant Hall in that direction. Now we're going to take a quick look at the library. And just take a quick peek inside. That's it. There's a lot of construction currently going on. They're building some more classrooms and they're building another dormitory. Some of the classrooms off in the distance. Now we're going to go inside the Sykes College of Business. Take a quick look at some of the classrooms. Computer lab. This is the Financial Training Center. Where they've kind of got it set up like Wall Street. And here's a nice room to relax in. Okay. It's the Sykes Chapel. I'm hearing the name Sykes a lot. They donated quite a bit to the university. This is all new here. Bell tower, I believe I heard it rings once every hour. There's more construction going on back there. Again, dorm rooms. Classrooms. Take a quick look inside the chapel. quite a pipe organ. There's over 3,000 pipes, and only 3 people are authorized to play it. Meeting rooms on the left. This is the Zen Garden, which is under construction. And over here is the Aquatic Center. That's all brand new. From what I understand, the pool just opened. Let's get a quick look at the pool. Another look at the pool and the Aquatic Center. And over here is Pepinrude Field. This is the track and field and soccer stadium. In the background, David A. Strauss Junior Hall. That is upper level housing, upperclassmen housing, so sophomores, juniors, and seniors. There are, I believe, 4 buildings, 4 halls that are upper level housing, and 6 halls that are freshman housing. And most of them are about that size. The one room that we toured was a smaller room. It's a smaller part of the smaller dormitory, but most of them are larger like that. And again, there's another parking garage. And there's the Bob Martinez Athletic Center. And now we'll take a quick look at the Fitness and Recreation Center. Hi, how are you? We're just gonna walk through. So these are the treadmills and ellipticals. And there are more over on that side. And all the weights are on the 2nd floor. And there's the basketball courts, another parking garage. So this hall here has freshman and upperclassmen housing in it. And this one here is strictly upperclassmen housing. Now we're going to go take a look at some more freshman housing. Okay, here's another residential hall. And then right over here is the wellness center. It'll be kind of like an urgent care. These buildings here are all freshman housing. And all of the housing here at the entire university is Jack and Jill style housing. Just like the room that we showed you earlier. You'll have 2 people in one room and another 2 people in a room, so there'll be 4 in a suite. And then you'll share the bathroom and the common areas. Some of the rooms will have 3 people in them, so you may have up to 5 people in a suite sharing one bathroom. Once you get to the upper level housing, it's a little bit different. I'm not exactly sure, but you have a little more privacy. And one of the buildings is nothing but suites. So we'll go inside. This is where the dining is located. So depending on the option you choose for dining, you can go to either of the main dining areas, or they have other places like Chick-fil-A, Einstein Bagel, etc. It's not open right now, but we'll show you real quick what the main dining area looks like. So it's buffet style. So you basically just swipe your card and then eat whatever you want. And here's the bookstore, and they're affiliated with Barnes & Noble, so you can use Barnes & Noble's gift cards. Okay. This is Smiley Hall. This is just one more residential area. This is a little smaller than the large ones that we just looked at. And it's right across from, this is the back side of Plant Hall. I just love the roof. Again, this is the old Tampa Hotel. And this is the back way in. And this is where we'll end our tour of the University of Tampa. We hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. We have many videos from all over Florida, both old videos, new videos. We're starting to do more school tours. We have a couple other schools that we have already toured that are on the channel. So please look for those. And thank you for watching.